Good morning and welcome to Ionic Equilibria 2. In Ionic Equilibria 1, we have discussed about type of electrolyte, degree of dissociation and definition of acids and base according to Arrhenius, Bronsted and Lewis, and also amphoteric nature of water. In this video, we have discussed about ionization of acids and base first. On the basis of extent of dissociation, acids and base are classified as strong acids and strong base, and second, weak acids and weak base. Strong acid and strong base are completely dissociate in water, while weak acids and weak bases are partially dissociate in water. For example, HCl molecule dissociate into H plus ion and Cl negative ion. And weak acid, for example, acetic acid dissociate into CH3COO plus H plus ion. Then dissociation constant of weak acids and weak bases. The dissociation of weak acid HA in water is expressed as HA dissociates into H plus ion plus A negative ion. The equilibrium constant called acid dissociation constant for this equilibrium is equal to K is equal to H plus ion into A negative ion divided by HA. Similarly, the dissociation of weak base BOH as B plus plus OH negative ion, the equilibrium constant called base dissociation constant for this equilibrium is Kb is equal to B plus plus B plus into OH negative divided by BOH. Thus, the dissociation constant of weak acid or weak base is defined as equilibrium constant for dissociation equilibrium of weak acid or weak base. Next is Ostwald dilution law. Ostwald, in the form of dilution law in 1888 for weak acid, consider weak acid HA that exists in solution partly as the undissociated species HA and partly H plus and A negative ions. As HA is equal to H plus plus A negative. The acid dissociation constant is given by Ka is equal to H plus A negative upon HA. Suppose 1 mole of acid HA is initially present in volume V dm cube of solution. So at equilibrium, the fraction dissociated would be alpha, where alpha is degree of dissociation of weak acid and fraction of an acid that remain undissociated would be 1 minus alpha. At equilibrium, HA is equal to 1 minus alpha upon V. So concentration of HA is equal to alpha upon V mole dm cube. Substituting this value, we get K is equal to alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha, or alpha is equal to under root Ka upon C, or alpha is equal to under root K into V. The degree of dissociation of weak acid is inversely proportional to square root of its concentration or directly proportional to square root of volume of a solution. Then auto ionization of water. Pure water ionizes to a very small extent. The ionization equilibrium of water is represented as H2O liquid plus H2O liquid gives H3O ion plus OH negative ion. The equilibrium constant K for ionization of water is given by K is equal to H3O plus 2 OH minus upon H2O square. K H2O square is equal to H3O plus into OH minus, but H2O square is equal to K dash. So K dash is equal to H2O plus into OH minus. But K dash is a new constant Kw called as ionic product of water. In pure water, H3O ion concentration always equal to concentration of OH ion. Therefore, Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14. Next is pH scale, also known as logarithmic scale. We know the definition of pH. So pH of solutions, the negative logarithm of the base 10 of the concentration of H plus ion in the solution, and expressed mathematically as pH is equal to minus log 10 H plus. Similarly, pOH is equal to minus log 10 OH plus ion. And the relationship between pH and pOH. The ionic product of water is Kw is equal to H3O plus into OH minus. And the value of Kw is 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. Thus, H3O into OH is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14. Taking log of both sides, we write log H3O plus log OH is equal to minus 14. So finally, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now next is acidity, basicity and neutrality. Neutral solution. For neutral solution, pH is equal to 7. Acidic solution, pH is less than 7. And for basic solution, pH is greater than 7. Now the hydrolysis of salt. The hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction in which cations or anions or both ions of a salt react with ions of water to produce acidity or alkalinity or sometimes neutrality. Types of salt. There are 4 types of salt. First, salt derived from strong acid, strong base, example NaCl. Second, salt derived from strong acid, weak base, example NH4Cl. Third, salts derived from weak acid and strong base, this KCN. And last, salts derived from weak acid and weak base, NH4Cl. And the concept of hydrolysis. First, Na positive plus Cl negative ion react with H2O gives HCl plus NaOH. So HCl plus NaOH react with water to give H3O plus Na plus Cl plus OH negative ion. Second, copper sulfate dissociates into copper Cu plus plus SO4 2 minus. So this Cu plus react with 4 times H2O gives CuOH twice plus twice H3O plus. Third, CH3COONa gives CH3COO negative plus Na. This H2O react with H2O gives H3O plus OH minus. Then acetate ion react with H2O gives acetic acid plus OH, and this acetate ion react with H2O gives acetic acid plus Na plus OH. Then salts derived from weak acid and weak base where Ka is greater than Kb. Example NH4F. Then dissociation reaction, NH4 plus F plus H2 gives NH4OH plus HF, and this NH4 plus ion react with twice H2 gives NH4 plus H3O, and F plus H2 gives Ha plus OH negative. And salts derived from weak acid and weak base. In this case, Ka is less than Kb. Example NH4Cn. This NH4 plus Cn plus H2 gives NH4OH plus HCN. NH4 plus H2 gives NH4OH plus H3O, and this cyanide Cn plus H2 gives HCN plus OH. And third, salts derived from weak acid and weak base where Ka is equal to Kb. Example CH3COO NH4. Dissociation reaction, CH3COO plus NH4 plus H2, it gives acetic acid plus ammonium hydroxide. Acetate ion plus H2 gives acetic acid plus OH, and NH4 plus H2 gives NH4OH plus H3O. So in this video lecture, I discuss about ionization of acids and base, Ostwald dilution law, autoionization of water, pH scale, acidity, basicity, neutrality, and last hydrolysis of salt. Thank you.